Question number 19. First part, d by dx of, you have to find 3 by x plus 2, 3 by x plus 2 minus 5 sin x, 5 sin x. So I can treat this function as function of x and this function as g of x. So d by dx of this minus d by dx of this. So I can write d by dx of 3 upon x plus 2 minus d by dx of 5 sin x. You know d by dx of fx upon gx. So I can write what? Gx d by dx of fx minus fx d by dx of gx upon gx square minus d by dx of 5 sin x. So minus 5 outside d by dx of sin x, that is what? Cos x. Now x plus 2 d by dx of 3, that is what? 0 minus 3 d by dx of x plus 2 d by dx of x, that is what? 1 plus d by dx of 2, that is 0. So 1 plus 0 upon x plus 2 whole square minus 5 cos x. So I'll get what? X plus 2 into 0, that is what? 0 only, so I won't write. Minus 3 into 1 plus 0, so minus 3 upon x plus 2 whole square minus 5 cos x is the answer. 19th first part, minus 3 upon x plus 2 whole square minus 5 cos x is the answer. Now 19th second part, you can see. Question number 19, second part. See question number 19, second part, d by dx of a upon x power 4 minus b upon x square minus b upon x square plus cos x. So same I can do for that also. D by dx of this function minus d by dx of this function plus d by dx of this function. So I will write d by dx of a upon x power 4, so I can write a x power minus 4 minus d by dx of b upon x square, so b upon x square, so this power will be x power minus 2 and it will go up, plus d by dx of cos x. Is that clear? D by dx of a x power minus 4, so a will come out, d by dx of x power n, so minus 4 x power n minus 1 minus b will come out, d by dx of x power minus 2, so minus 2 x power minus 2 minus 1. Is it clear? Plus d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x. A into minus 4 x power minus 4 minus 1, so minus 4a x power minus 5 minus b into minus this, so minus minus plus 2b x power minus 3 plus minus minus sin x is the answer. So minus 4a x power minus 5 minus 4a x power minus 5 plus 2b x power minus 3 minus sin x. This is the answer. 1 minute. Here I have a mistake. D by dx of a upon x power 4. 1 minute. 1 minute. Minus 4 x power n x and d by dx of x a. D by dx of a upon x power 4. So x power minus 4. A d by dx of x power minus 4 x power minus 4 minus 1 n x and minus 1. So minus 4a x power minus 5. Okay, plus 2b x power minus 3 minus sin x. Okay, so minus 4a, this I am writing what? Minus 4a, this x power minus 5 will go down, so it will be what? X power 5 plus 2b upon x power minus 3, so down it will be x power 3 minus sin x is the answer. Is it clear? 4a minus 4a upon x power 5, but answer it is given 4a upon x power 5 plus 2b upon x cube minus sin. But this will be the answer, minus 4a upon x power 5, because this minus 4 will come here. A is outside, x power n, so n x n minus 1 minus 4x minus 4. It is clear. Answer is 4x upon x power 5, but here I am getting minus 4a upon x power. This is correct. This x power minus 5 will go down, it will be x power 5. Minus 4a upon x power 5 minus 4a upon x power 5 plus 2b upon x cube minus sin x is the answer. Now question number 20. Question number 20. First part, d by dx of x power 5 cot x. d by dx of x power 5 cot x. So you will write what? X power 5 d by dx of what? Cot x plus cot x d by dx of x power 5. So x power 5 d by dx of cot x, that is minus cos x square x plus cot x d by dx of x power 5, 5x power 5 minus 1, nx n minus 1. So minus x power 5 cos x square x plus 5x power 4 cot x minus x power 5 cos x square x plus 5x power 4 cot x. So you can take x power 4 common. You will get here what? Minus x cos x square x plus 5 cot x. This is the answer. Question number 20. First part is over now. Question number 20. Second part. Question number 20. Second part. You can see x power 4 d by dx of x power 4 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. So you will get what? d by dx of this into d by dx of this. So you can write x power 4 d by dx of 5 sin x minus 3 cos x plus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x d by dx of x power 4 is equal to, what will you get? X power 4 d by dx of 5 sin x. So 5 will be out. d by dx of sin x, that is what? Cos x minus d by dx of 3 cos x. So 3 will be out. d by dx of cos x, that is what? Minus sin x plus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x d by dx of x power 4, x power n. So 4 x power 4 minus 1. You will get what? X power 4 5 cos x minus minus plus 3 sin x plus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x and 4 x power 3. You will get what? X power 4 5 cos x. So I will write what? 5 x power 4 cos x plus 3 x power 4 sin x plus 4x cube into 5 sin x. You will get what? 20x cube sin x. 20x cube sin x minus 4 is a 12x cube cos x. Is it clear? Now you can take, here you see x cube sin x, here it is what? X power 4 sin x. Here it is x power 4 cos x, x cube cos x. So in these two I can take x power, or I can say x power 3 I can take common from all. X power 4, x power 4, x power 3, x power 4. I am taking x power 3 common from all. What will you get? You will get 5x cos x plus 3x sin x plus 20 sin x minus 12 cos x. This you will get 5x cos x, 5x cos x minus 12 cos x plus 3x sin x plus 20 sin x. Or you can write, answer is given in this form, so you can write x power 3 common here, or you can write in these two, 5x cos x minus 12 cos x. I am writing 5x minus 12 and cos x is common, and plus 3x sin x and plus 20 sin x. So I am writing plus 3x plus 20 and I am taking sin x common, and all x cube is common for all. Is it clear? So we write like this. This is the answer. Now question number 21st. You can see question number 21. First part, d by dx of x plus cos x into x minus 10x. X plus cos x into x minus 10x. X plus cos x into x minus 10x. This is the question. Now formula x plus cos x into x minus tan x. Same dy dx of fx into gx. So I can write what? X plus cos x d by dx of x minus tan x plus x minus tan x d by dx of x plus cos x. So x plus cos x d by dx of x minus tan x. So d by dx of this minus d by dx of this. So d by dx of x, that is 1, minus d by dx of tan x, that is sec square x. All formulas are written. D by dx of tan x, that is sec square x. And plus x minus tan x d by dx of x plus cos x. So I can write d by dx of x 1 plus d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x. Is it clear? Now x plus cos x 1 minus sec square x plus x minus tan x and 1 plus minus minus sin x. Now answer is question number 21st. X plus cos x into 1 minus x square x plus x minus tan x 1 minus. This is the answer. This answer is already given. They are not solving further. So this is the answer. Question number 21st, second part. Question number 21st, second part, you can see d by dx of 3x plus 5, d by dx of 3x plus 5 into 1 plus 10x. So you can write 3x plus 5 d by dx of 1 plus 10x plus 1 plus 10x d by dx of 3x plus 5. So we will write 3x plus 5 d by dx of 1, that is 0, plus d by dx of 10x, that is sec square x, plus 1 plus 10x d by dx of 3x. So d by dx of 3x plus d by dx of 5. So first I am doing d by dx of 3x. 3 will come out, d by dx of x, that is 1, plus d by dx of 5, that is 0. So 3x plus 5 into sec square x plus 1 plus 10x into 3. So answer is 3x plus 5 sec square x plus 3 1 plus 10x. I will check what is the answer. 3x plus 5 sec square x plus 3 1 plus 10x. This is the answer. Now question number 22. Question number 22. First part, d by dx of ax square plus cot x, ax square plus cot x into p plus q cos x, p plus q cos x. So I will write first ax square plus cot x, and then I will do d by dx of p plus q cos x, plus I will write p plus q cos x, and then I will do d by dx of ax square plus cot x. So ax square plus cot x d by dx of p plus q cos x. So d by dx of p, that is what, 0, plus d by dx of q cos x. So q will come out, d by dx of cos x, that is what, minus sin x, plus p plus q cos x, d by dx of ax square, a will come out, d by dx of x square, that is what, 2x power 2 minus 1, so 2x, plus d by dx of cot x, that is minus cos x square x. So you will get ax square plus cot x, 0 plus q into minus sin x, so minus q sin x, plus p plus q cos x, 2ax minus plus minus minus cos x square x. I will check what is the answer. Minus q common, they are writing like this. Minus q they are writing here. Then they are writing ax square plus cot x and then sin x. This minus q sin x, they are writing minus q here, sin x here. Plus p plus q cos x, this is same, p plus q cos x and 2ax minus cos x square x. This is same. This is the answer. Now question number 22, second part. Question 22. First part you can see. Sorry, question number 21st. Oh, second part is left. Second part is left. First, I have to do question number 22. Second part we are doing. X square sin x d by dx of x square sin x plus cos 2x plus cos 2x. So what will you do? D by dx of this plus this. So d by dx of x square sin x plus d by dx of cos 2x. So you will get what? D by dx of one function into two functions. So x square d by dx of sin x plus sin x d by dx of x square upon what? Not upon, in this d by dx of fx into gx. So fx d by dx of gx plus gx d by dx of fx plus d by dx of cos 2x. That is what? Minus sin 2x and 2x. So how will you do 2x? So multiply with d by dx of 2x is what? 2. So you have to write multiply with 2 also. Is it clear? D by dx of cos 2x. That is what? Minus sin 2x and d by dx of 2x. That is what? 2. D by dx of 2x is what? D by dx of 2x. 2 will come out. D by dx of x is 1. So 2 I am writing. So you will get x square d by dx of sin x. That is what? Cos x plus sin x d by dx of x square. That is what? 2x minus 2 sin 2x. So you will get what? X square cos x plus 2x sin x minus 2 sin 2x is the answer. X square cos x plus 2x sin x minus 2 sin 2x is the answer. Is it clear? Why I am writing here? D by dx of cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to what? Minus sin x. So here it is what? Cos 2x. So I am writing minus sin 2x. And then you have to see what's the variable? X. X is multiplied with what? 2x. So 2x. You have to do d by dx of 2x also. So 2 will come out. D by dx of x, that is 1. So 2 I am multiplying. Is it clear? Now question number 23, 24 and 25. I will do in next video. Thank you.